Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the watch on so the back sensor touches skin. Make it snug but comfortable. Once done, tap the heart app icon on the watch or open Health on your iPhone to follow results. You do this now because motion and poor contact cause inaccurate readings. Relaxing for 1 minute stabilizes circulation and lowers noise in the measurement. Make sure Bluetooth is on if you plan to view results on your phone. You tap heart rate on the watch and hold still while the wrist sensor samples your pulse. The watch displays current BPM and a small waveform. Once the reading stabilizes, typically within 15 to 30 seconds, note the number labeled resting or current heart rate. If you're using the iPhone, go to Health, then Browse, then Heart to see logged resting heart rate over time. This helps you compare today's reading with your baseline, which is important for spot. You should record the resting BPM or take a quick screenshot so you have a reference, and then check the Health app for averages to contextualize this one measurement. If the number jumps or seems wrong, reseat the watch, wipe the back sensor with a lint-free cloth, wait 5 minutes, then retry. Poor contact or sweat often causes errors. If issues persist, restart both devices, and if that fails, contact Apple support. Resolving hardware or software faults keeps future readings reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.